Nakalimutan ko mag-intro. Hello! Nalilito ako sa palikmata. Hello and welcome ulit sa Mrs. O. Muntik ko nakalimutan. Hindi po mate. So for today, this is the third recipe of our chicken wings. Nagkaroon na tayo ng garlic parmesan. Nagkaroon tayo ng honey barbecue. Lahat nagustuhan ni Andeng. So hopefully, magustuhan mo tong third. The third basically is honey sriracha. No? So my version of honey sriracha. But with me, instead of using soy sauce, I actually put a little bit of oyster sauce. So it could be a little bit salty. That's why hindi ko masyado lalagyan ng salt. So, again, the same system like before. Habang fina-fry natin yung chicken, we will be making the sauce. Tapos this one, we're gonna be toasting a little bit of sesame seeds. Normally, they call it honey sriracha, but for me, I just wanna call it sriracha. Kasi this one, this is what's available. No? I think merong local version. So, it's called sweet chili sauce. That's how it's parang sriracha. So, medyo diet. The sriracha is a little bit smoother, darker na reddish, but we're not gonna use that. So again, it's a hack or a cheat, I don't know, but whatever it is, it will taste good, no? So we're using this. And of course, when you say sriracha, it's a little bit spicy. So I'm gonna be using, binigay ito ng sister ko, she grows it. It's called Carolina Reaper. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda-ganda niya. Very beautiful. Just to give you this is our seeding labuyo. This is Carolina Reaper. So, gino-grow niya to. So, apparently, ito yung pinakamaanghang na sili sa buong mundo from 2013 to 2023. So, this year lang siya na tanggalan ng corona. Basically, na hindi na siya yung pinakamaanghang. So, we're trying it. Inahawakan ko siya sa stem. So, mamaya when I chop it, I'll be using gloves. No? Para lang hindi mamahapde sa kamay. So, babalik ta rin ko lang ang ating chicken. So far, anong favorite mo? Ako nag-interview sa'yo. Yung garlic parmesan. So next time, at least pag mag-order kayo, diba, you can do it at home actually. So, we're not gonna put so much pepper, we're not gonna put so much salt because this is so salty. So, I will just yan. Ay, thank you pala kay Lee St. Louis. Ba yun? Oh, thank you for trying out the glazed spam recipe. Salamat sa pag-try. So again, let's just fry it. Just fry. Okay. Yan. Okay, so for this, I'm just gonna be toasting some sesame seeds. Because we'll use it to top the sriracha. Careful lang tayo kasi mabilis masunog. And then we're gonna turn this pan on. So this one, since it doesn't really have oil, no? So we're just really making it with the sriracha. I'm just gonna boil a cup of water. Be using it. Don't feel that it's weird, but it works. Baka mawirdohan kayo, but you should try it. As I'm boiling this water, I'm actually gonna put garlic. So, it becomes a little bit tasty, medyo nutty yung taste. Kaya pag sinasatay natin, you should try it. It's really different. No? So, it's just another trick. Yan. To make our sriracha sauce. Okay? Make sure lang hindi nasunog. So, the sesame seeds, we want it golden. Ang daming mga ganap, no, nangyayari. We're making the sauce, we're frying the chicken, we're toasting the sesame seeds, I'm cleaning also. So, ang daming ganap. 4 things in one. Waiting for that to boil. And I have about 5 minutes to turn over ko siya in the next minute. But while I'll do that, I'm gonna chop this, no, the Carolina Reaper. And when I do that, I have to use gloves because it can be a little bit spicy. Okay. So there, with this one, you'd want to take the seeds out kasi yun yung nagpapaanghang, di ba? Kaya, chop lang natin siya na. Kalahati lang siguro gagamitin ko. Anyway, we'll be using the others later on. Diba? There you go. Then let me just, yan. So, kunyari gagamitin mo to with your bare hands. Wash your hands right away. Kasi kunyari marab mo yung mata mo. Oh my God. Hindi ka makakita. Medyo matagal-tagal. Let me just turn it over. This will be about another 3 minutes and it should be done. Kaya kailangan gawin na natin ang ating sriracha sauce. Okay. So there, I'm gonna put the sriracha. This is the one na magdadala. Okay. And then, a little bit of the oyster. This is for the color. Okay. So don't worry if it's a little bit may pagka-liquid because as you boil it, magre-reduce pa siya. And then, as you start slowly add the chicken, it's gonna reduce. I think I have to put some soy sauce because of kulang siya ng saltiness, but it's just right. Anghang, but good. You can taste the Carolina. Let me just put this. Para lang mag-thicken. Mas mabilis. Okay. I'm cheating. Because gusto ko siya mag-thicken faster. So, I'm adding cornstarch. Okay, para mas mag-thicken. There you go. See? So, it's a little bit thicker. Hold on. Okay. So here, see. So this one's a little bit spicy. Wino-warn ko na lang lahat ng mga magta-try nito because of the Carolina Reaper pepper and also the sriracha itself, the Thai chili. Later, we're just gonna coat this with some sesame seeds. Hold on. So now, we will just cook this for 5 minutes. See this? We're toasting it. There. Bilis lang nito, actually. No, the sriracha. But the secret talaga is yung sweet chili sauce. That's what we have to... Ano yung brand na hiyang sa inyo, no? But for me, that's the brand that I buy. Getting golden. There. So this one, I'll turn off na the fire. Kasi, mainit pa yung pan. So it will continue to toast. Parang pumuputo. See? Look at that. Wala na siya sa fire. But it continues to go brown. Because the pan is still hot. There you go. So this is 1 more minute. Then we're ready to dip it. This is our last of the chicken wings series natin, diba? So nagkaroon na tayo ng garlic, parmesan cheese, meron na tayong honey barbecue, and now we have the sriracha hack. Kasi hindi naman siya totoong sriracha. Siguro hindi muna tayo gagawa ng chicken wings for a while, no? Unless may request kayo ng bagong flavor. Personally, pag gumagawa kami ng chicken wings dito sa bahay, yun yung normally yan. Garlic parmesan cheese. We do sriracha once in a while. We do yung parang Korean style. Yung may parang soy sauce, sugar. So we also do that. We also do buffalo minsan. Yung buffalo style. Yung medyo maanghang with ranch dressing. So we do those. We do those different flavors. But anyway, wag muna. Kasi baka puro chicken wings lang laman. So now this is done. I'm going to start putting it na sa ating sauce. So it's a little bit reddish. The brownish part actually comes from basically the oyster sauce and a little bit of the soy sauce. We feel na it's very salty, but it's not really. No, it's very well balanced. So there, it's very immersed. Okay. There you go. Nice. Nicely done. There. So, kunyari marami tayong sauce na ganito, you can keep it, actually. At least next time, it will keep for a long time in the ref. At least, kunyari, somebody biglaan, you wanna cook chicken wings, you don't have to rush and make it. Okay. And then, let me just put a little bit of hot sauce. Okay, there you go. So, this is the chicken wings sriracha. And finally, mga kabis na ako.